Welcome back. Now you can start the process of recording your webcam. Now one way to do that is not to record your screen, and so you turn your screen off. What you would do is you would toggle on your webcam from this button. And you'll notice then that the webcam is going to be turned on. Now for the sake of this video, the webcam is covered, and that's why you'll see that there is a background that looks blank. Now to start this process, you can use the hotkey or F9 key in order to start the recording. You can stop that recording again by hitting the other hotkey, which is the F10 button. So we're going to start this recording by clicking on this record button. Now when the recording is in process, you're going to notice that there's going to be a view of what will be recorded on the webcam. If you want to see a larger view, you're going to click this up arrow. That's going to give you a larger view of what is showing on the webcam. Now when you've completed the recording, you can then click the F10 button. Now for the sake of this video, we're going to click this stop button. That's only because we're using two versions of Camtasia at the same time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.